Welcome to the Gordie Howe Bridge Flyover for June 18th, 2024. The Gordie Howe International Bridge project has reached a major milestone this month. On June 14th, the main bridge deck was officially connected, joining the Canadian and U.S. sides over the Detroit River. This 46-meter connection was achieved after over 2,000 days and 13 million hours of construction work. Subscribe to help the channel reach more bridge enthusiasts. It's free and it really does help. Thank you in advance for the support. I do appreciate it. Well, the $6.4 billion bridge won't open until September 2025, a delay from the initial November 2024 target. The deck connection marks it as an official international border crossing. Border officers are now monitoring the site 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. The two sides were precisely aligned using temporary bracing before permanent steel girders linked them. In the coming weeks, crews will install railings, the multi-use path, electrical components, drainage, sensors, and lighting on the 2.5-kilometer stay-cabled bridge. The project team is also celebrating 5 years of the Community Benefits Plan, providing $200,000 in funding this month to 13 local organizations in Windsor and Detroit. This commitment enhances communities near the bridge construction. I have something I want to ask about the project, but I'll wait until later in the video. In the meantime, enjoy the movie.
when you first told me your name. I didn't hear a word you said, but it was written all over my face. Should've known it was you I would love until the end. When you made it down the aisle, every moment stole my breath. Bet you could see it in my smile. Should've known it was you I would love until the end. I don't know where this road leads. All I know is I wanna go with you in a life where there's no sure things. I am sure I wanna live it with you. If you look into my eyes, when our time down here is spent, it's in every single line. Hope you know it was you that I loved until the end.
I'm back. It's an exciting time for all involved with the construction of this bridge, and for good reason. However, there is something I came across during my research that made me sit back and scratch my head. This is what I found. According to the search results, approximately 2,000 individuals are currently contributing to the Gordie Howe International Bridge project on a typical day, including workers at the construction site, ports of entry, and the Michigan interchange. Around 42%, or 800 of these 2,000 workers, are from the local Windsor and Detroit areas. That means 58%, or 1,160 of the workforce is diverse, with workers coming from countries like Ireland, Italy, Germany, Brazil, Portugal, Saudi Arabia, Lebanon, India, and many others who have traveled to Windsor to work on this project. I understand there are specialists from other countries needed in these large projects. Over 50%, however, has me asking why. Why are there not more Canadian workers employed when we are paying for it with hard-earned Canadian tax dollars? The project is expected to create around 2,500 jobs in total, including direct hires, subcontractors, and seconded individuals from various companies involved. Are these going to be Canadian jobs? There are workers employed in skilled construction trades like operating engineers, laborers, carpenters, electricians, landscapers, equipment operators, and truck drivers. All work Canadians are quite capable of completing. If you know why such a high percentage of foreign workers have been employed instead of our Canadian workforce, please let me know in the comments. With the deck connection achieved, anticipation builds for this vital new international trade corridor. Kinda hard to think it will take another 15 months to complete with what they've accomplished over the past year. Do you think they will finish the Gordie Howe Bridge project ahead of time? Let me know in the comments. Like and subscribe. This is Bob Jones, and I will see you in the next video.